cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for joker. Joker means joker. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means बंदर. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R for rat. Rat means चूहा. S for sun. Sun means सूरज. T for tree. Tree means पेड़. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V for van. Van means van. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for yak. Yak means पहाड़ी संवर. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Subscribe.